Hi, I'm JB Benna with Benna Mountain Luxury Real Estate here in beautiful Lake Tahoe, and I'd like to introduce you to the Lookout Castle. Here we are at 671 Lookout Loop in Zephyr Cove, Lake Tahoe. The house is 6 bedrooms, 9 baths, 9,300 square feet on 6 levels, has its own built-in elevator and some of the most phenomenal views of Lake Tahoe you've ever seen. Let's go take a look. Thank you for joining me today at the Lookout Castle, 671 Lookout in Zephyr Cove. Phenomenal views, access to recreation, hiking, biking, you name it, everything's within minutes of this location. Give me a call, I'm JB Benna, Benna Mountain Luxury. See you next time.